Hello, today I want to explain the difference between opacity and flow. I was asked this question the other day. I find when people pick brush settings, they tend to default to opacity without understanding the alternative of flow. Both of these settings allow us to add transparency to our brushes. However, they do fundamentally work slightly differently. Opacity works by changing the opaqueness or the transparency of our brush. Flow changes the amount of paint that's being added to the layer. So what does this mean? If I add a dot to the canvas with 25% opacity, 100% flow, it looks like this. If I reverse those values for 100% opacity and 25% flow, it looks seemingly the same. However, there is one key difference between these settings. If I color in with 25% opacity without picking up my mouse or stylus, you can see the amount of color stays the same throughout that. On the other hand, if I do it with flow and keep drawing that same shape, you'll notice it continually gets darker because the layer or the paintbrush is adding more paint as I do this. Doing it with opacity stays the same until I pick up my brush. Once I pick up my brush, do it again, it now adds the additional opaqueness to what I drew before. Where with flow, it's changing that value as I do it. It's continually adding. If you want the files from today's video, please see the accompanying blog post in the description section. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe. That's a huge help. And if you have any ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comment section. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.